How to remove old device from Google account. It is a very simple process, so just follow along. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. On your web browser, tap on the profile picture at the top right corner. Now a menu like this will appear. Select Manage your Google account. Now it will take some time to open your Google account. At the top, you will see different kind of options. Go to Security section. In Security, scroll down. In this section, Your Devices, click on Manage all devices. Again, it will take some time to open new interface. On this interface, you will see all the devices that are connected through your Gmail ID. Select any of the devices that you would like to remove. After clicking on the device, you will need to verify your identity. Type in your password and click on Continue. Once your identity is verified, you can remove the device. Select the option Sign Out and your account will be removed from that device. So that's all for today. Thank you.